Hi. How do you like that wagon wheel? Oh, we're gonna suck on it? Okay. Okay. Good job. Take your time. Take your time, huh? Yeah. Oh, she thought about it. Yeah, wagon wheel. This is what we're having. Carrots and cheese. Sounds disgusting. We also have yogurt melts, which sound a little bit better. Careful, Gabby, not everything in at once. Out, out. It's too big. Too big. Okay. I'm going to be on choke watch, so I'm going to stop recording now. Well, I think she did okay in that one. Good job, Gabby. Good job. Yeah, you gotta do a little at a time. Good job. Good job. She's like, where's mine? I don't think it was so good. I didn't get any. You can lick her hand. She wants some of your wagon wheel, Gabby. She wants some of your wagon wheel. Yeah. She wants some of your wagon wheel.